Hey everyone, beautiful blue skies today, very few clouds, another cool start this morning and just warm for this afternoon. Speaking of warm, here's Sky 5 in Weslaco. We still have temperatures right now in the 80s in most spots. It is 88 degrees in McAllen, 83 in Harlingen, 82 in Brownsville, and 79 degrees on the island. As expected, very quiet across the board on the radar. It stays dry for the rest of tonight. Let's talk about the dew points. Where are the dew points? Well, the dew points measure how sticky it feels outside, and it is not feeling too sticky because the dew points are only in the 40s and 50s. Once you get above a 60 or even 50s or 60s, then it starts to feel more humid. But right now, dew point of only 47 to Edinburgh and 52 in Weslaco. So with that in mind, here's the muggy meter. These are dew points, and right now, dew points, as you saw, in the 40s and 50s, so it's pretty comfortable. But once you get into the 60s and 70s, then it starts to feel muggy and uncomfortable. You can always get your forecast on the KRGV weather app, and for tonight, we'll have clear skies. As the sun goes down, those temperatures will tumble. It's going to be another cool night. Enjoy it with temperatures in the low to mid 60s, lower 60s by 6 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, just more sunshine and warm afternoon temperatures. Here's a service map. Another front on the way, but this is a very weak front for us right now, draped over Houston and Austin. It'll get here early tomorrow, and it's a dry front. But look what's happening in the tropics. Remember, hurricane season is not over. It officially ends November 30th. But we're watching two tropical waves. One in the yellow X is to the east of the Lesser Antilles. The second one in the red X is just off the coast of Honduras and Nicaragua and to the east of the Yucatan Peninsula. The one in the red X has a 70% chance of development over the next 5 days. The one to the east of Lesser Antilles, the yellow X, has just a 20% chance of development. So what does it mean for the valley? I know you're asking about this. It is way too soon to tell. This is nothing to panic about, but just bears watching very carefully tomorrow into the weekend and next week. Indications are, according to the models, that these two systems or tropical waves or potential tropical systems will stay to the south of us. Keep in mind also that it's now October, and so we're getting those fronts coming in. Those fronts tend to deflect those tropical systems away. But again, we'll just have to watch very carefully. So here's future track. Weak front comes into dry front. For us, it's just a quiet weekend and warm with highs in the lower 90s. We'll watch as this first system over the Yucatan Peninsula starts to move westward, maybe merging with the front. That's Monday and Tuesday. So at this point, this model thinks that this first system stays to the south of us, maybe the second one as well. Just something to keep an eye on for the next couple of days. But by next Thursday, we may have a moisture surge. That could change. We may have a slight chance at least for some showers from next Thursday. So at this point, just a 10% chance of a shower for next Thursday. Until then, it should stay dry, including for this weekend. Weekend forecast for this weekend, lower 90s Saturday and Sunday, and more humid with mostly sunny skies. Lows tonight, another cool night, and hey, there's a full moon. Full moon again tonight. Low to mid 60s, mid 70s on the island. Tomorrow's highs are in the upper 80s to lower 90s with lower 80s on the island. Here's your first Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Enjoy the cool nights. The days are warm, but at least the nights are cool. At least you can turn off the AC during the nighttime. Mid 60s for Saturday morning, upper 60s Sunday morning. Another front comes in Monday, or probably just washes out to the north of us, but we may go back to the upper 80s for Monday and Tuesday, and then upper 80s for next Wednesday and Thursday. That is your first Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.